Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn and Inspire. So in the previous class we discussed about the graphical representation of linear polynomial. Now in this video we discuss about the graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. Okay, so before representing the graph, so we have to know about the quadratic polynomial. So what is a quadratic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 2. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. That means the highest degree of the polynomial should be 2. Then only we can say it is a quadratic polynomial. So what is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? So we write here the general form. General form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. So this is the general form of a quadratic polynomial with degree 2, because a quadratic polynomial degree is having 2. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. So here the variables are x. Variables are x, and a, b, c are nothing but real numbers. Okay. So this is a general form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. So from this quadratic polynomial we can represent a graph by taking a polynomial. Okay. Now let's start the question. First example. Here is the question. Draw the graph of y is equals to x square minus x minus 6 and find its zeros. So how to find zeros and how many zeros does a quadratic polynomial has? So based on this degree. So what is the degree of a quadratic polynomial? 2. That means, so in the quadratic polynomial we have 2 zeros. Okay. So based on the degree, so we can find the number of zeros. So in the quadratic polynomial we have 2 zeros of the polynomial. Now we have to represent by using this quadratic polynomial by finding the values of x, y and taking the coordinate points, and that coordinate points we have to plot in the graph sheet. So let us see how to find the values of y by taking the values of x. First I write the table x, y, x comma y. So x comma y are nothing but coordinate points. So I take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So let me see by checking these values whether we get 2 zeros or not. Okay, if not, so we can take a few more values, and after that we can find the values of y. So first we can take the value 0, or we can take a value of minus 2. So you can start from minus 2, or you can start by taking the positive values. So first I take a minus 2 itself. Put x is equals to minus 2. So what is the polynomial? Y is equals to x square minus x minus 6. So by substituting x is equals to minus 2, we get y is equals to minus 2 square minus of x values minus 2 minus 6. Y is equals to, minus is multiplied 2 times, minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. 2 square is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. Y is equals to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So here we got a 0, that is minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 is x coordinate, 0 is y coordinate. So we got a 1 0 of the polynomial by substituting minus 2. So that means minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now we find one more 0 by substituting x is equals to minus 1. So put x is equals to minus 1. Then y is equals to, so this is the polynomial x square minus x minus 6. So if I substitute in place of x, minus 1 square minus value of x is minus 1 minus 6. Y is equals to, minus 1 square is nothing but plus 1, minus into minus plus 1 minus 6. Y is equals to 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 6 is a minus 4. If I substitute minus 1, then the value of y is minus 4. So coordinate points are minus 1, minus 4. Now I substitute x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 0. Then value of y is equals to minus 0 square, 0 square minus 0 minus 6. Y is equals to 0 square is 0 minus 0 minus 6. Y is equals to 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Value of y is minus 6. So I write minus 6. So what are the coordinate points? 0, comma, minus 6. Now we substitute x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. Then we get y is equals to 1 square minus of 1 minus 6. So in place of x, so we are substituting 1. Y is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus 6. Y is equals to plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What is left? Minus 6. So I write minus 6 again. So 1 comma minus 6. Okay. So next, by substituting x is equals to 2, then we get y is equals to 2 square minus 2 minus 6. Y is equals to 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 minus 6. Y is equals to 4 minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Y is equals to minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So value of y is minus 4. Then coordinate points are 2 comma minus 4. Now by substituting 3, so let me see whether we get 0 of the polynomial or not. Put x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Y is equals to 3 square is 9 minus 3 minus 6. Y is equals to 9, right as it is, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Y is equals to 0. So I write y is equals to 0. What are the coordinate points? 3 comma 0. So here we got 2 zeros of the polynomial. So what are the 2 zeros? So if I substitute minus 2, we got a 0. If I substitute plus 3, so we got 0. That means minus 2 and plus 3 are zeros of the polynomial. And so these are the coordinate points. Now all these points are plotted in the graph. So let us see what is the shape we get. Okay. So this is a graph, and horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line represents a y-axis. Intersecting of x-axis and y-axis is origin. And here are the positive values, negative values. And y-axis, positive values, negative values. Okay. So now we plot the coordinate points in the graph sheet. So what is the first coordinate point? That is minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 is x coordinate and 0 is y coordinate. Okay. So minus 2, x coordinate is minus 2. Here is minus 2. Y coordinate is 0. Okay. So here comes a minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Next one is minus 1 comma minus 4. Minus 1 is x coordinate and minus 4 is y coordinate. Minus 1 x coordinate. So here is minus 1 x coordinate. Minus 4 is y coordinate. So you can see minus 4 comes down and minus 1 is here. Minus 4 is here. Okay. Minus 1 minus 4. Next one is 0 comma minus 6. So 0 is x coordinate. So here is 0. Y coordinate is minus 6. Minus 6 come down. So here is 0 comma minus 6. Next coordinate point is 1 comma minus 6. 1 is in x coordinate. Minus 6 is in y coordinate. So come down. Here comes a 1 comma minus 6. So 1 is in x coordinate and minus 6 is in y coordinate, because this is y axis, y coordinate minus 6. Next one is 2 comma minus 4. So 2 is in x axis, x coordinate 2, and minus 4 is y coordinate. Minus 4 comes down here. So 2 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 4. The last coordinate point 3 comma 0. So 3 comma 0, 3 is in x coordinate, 0 is a y coordinate. So here comes a 3 comma 0. Now we join all these points without using scale. So I join all the points here. So here is the shape, and which we call it as, this is a union shape, and this union shape we call it as a parabola. So this is the shape we call, if it is a union shape or if it is an intersection shape, and that shape we call it as a parabola. And what are the zeros of the polynomial? So what are the 2 points intersecting on x-axis? So you can see 3 is intersecting on x-axis and minus 2 is also intersecting on x-axis. That means minus 2 and 3 are zeros of a polynomial. I hope you might have understood this graph, and we'll see one more question. From that you can understand how to represent the graph by using a quadratic polynomial. So here is the second example. Draw the graph of y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. Okay, so by substituting the values of x, from that we can find the values of y, and we can form the coordinate points of x comma y. From that we can plot the graph. So by taking values of x, y, x comma y coordinate points. So I take so I start from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the values of x. From that we can find the values of y. So I start from minus 4, put x is equals to minus 4, and the polynomial y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So by substituting minus 4, y is equals to minus 4 whole square minus, what is the value of x? Minus 4. So I write again minus 4 minus 12. Minus 4 square is 16. Minus into minus plus, 4 square is 16. Minus into minus plus 4 minus 12. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 8, 20 minus 12 is 8. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So the value of y is 8. Understood? So if I substitute minus 4, value of y is 8. Minus 4 comma 8 are the coordinate points. Now I substitute x is equals to minus 3. Put x is equals to minus 3. Then value of y is minus 3 square minus of minus 3 minus 12. Then y is equals to minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is minus 3 into minus 3. We get plus 9. Minus into minus plus 3 minus 12. Y is equals to 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. Value of y is 0. Now I write the coordinate points minus 3 comma 0. Here we got 1 0 of the polynomial by substituting x is equals to minus 3. Now we find one more 0 of the polynomial. First we take x is equals to minus 2. From that y is equals to minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 12. So x square minus x minus 12 is a polynomial. So in place of x we are substituting minus 2. Y is equals to minus 2 square is plus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 12. Y is equals to 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 12. Y is equals to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. The value of y is minus 6. So I write minus 6 here. Now what are the coordinate points? Minus 2 comma minus 6. Now put x is equals to minus 1. If I substitute minus 1, then y is equals to minus 1 square minus of minus 1 minus 12. Y is equals to minus 1 square is plus 1, minus into minus plus 1 minus 12 as it is. Y is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 12. Y is equals to 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Value of y is minus 10. Coordinate points are minus 1, minus 10. Now substitute x is equals to 0. So I write here, put x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 0 square minus 0 minus 12. Y is equals to 0 square is 0 minus 0 minus 12. Y is equals to minus 12 because 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. Value of y is minus 12. Coordinate points are 0 comma minus 12. Now substitute x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. Then value of y is, in place of x we substitute 1. Y is equals to 1 square minus of 1 minus 12. Y is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus 12. Y is equals to, so this is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, and what is left? Minus 12. Y is equals to minus 12. Coordinate points are 1 comma minus 12. Now substitute x is equals to 2. Then value of y is equals to 2 square minus 2 minus 12. Y is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 12. Y is equals to 4 minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14. So here we are adding two negative integers. When we add two negative integers, result will be negative, and by adding these two, 2 plus 12 is 14. Y is equals to 4 minus 14 is minus 10. Y is equals to minus 10. So coordinate points are 2 comma minus 10. Now substitute 3. Put x is equals to 3. Then y is equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 12. Y is equals to 3 square is 9. 9 minus 3 minus 12. Y is equals to 9 minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. Y is equals to, we get minus 6. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Minus 6. Coordinate points are 3 comma minus 6. Now the last value, x is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4 square minus 4 minus 12. Y is equals to 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 12. Y is equals to 0. If I substitute x is equals to 4, then the value of y is 0. 4 comma 0. Now you can see in this polynomial we have two zeros of the polynomial, and what are the values? Minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 and 4 are zeros of the polynomial. Now here are the coordinate points. All these coordinate points will plot in the graph sheet. So let us see what is the shape. So here are the coordinate points. So from these points, so we plot in the graph sheet. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis, and you can see the scale. X-axis, so I have taken 2 units as 1 centimeter, and y-axis also 2 units as 1 centimeters. So x-axis 2 units, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 1 centimeter I have taken as 2 units. And in the same way y-axis also, so 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12. Okay, now we plot the coordinate points. The first one is minus 4 comma 8. Minus 4 is in x coordinate. So here is minus 4. 8. 8 is a y coordinate. So 8 comes up. So here is minus 4 comma 8. Minus 4 comma 8. And the second one is minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 is x coordinate. Minus 3 lies between minus 2 and minus 4. Okay. So here is minus 3. So it lies between minus 2 and minus 4. And 0 is y coordinate. So here comes a minus 3 comma 0. Okay. Next coordinate point is minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 is x coordinate. So here is minus 2. Minus 6 is y coordinate. So it comes down here. Minus 2 comma minus 6. Next one, minus 1 minus 10. Minus 1 lies between 0 and minus 2. Minus 1 lies between, so minus 1 lies between 0 and minus 2. So here is minus 1. Minus 10. So minus 10 comes down here. So this is minus 1 and minus 10. Here is minus 1 minus 10. Next one is 0 minus 12. So 0 is x coordinate, 0 is here. Minus 12 is y coordinate. So y coordinate minus 12 comes down. So here is 0 comma minus 12. Understood? Next one, 1 comma minus 12. So 1 is x coordinate. So 1 lies between 0 and 2. So in between 0 and 2, 1 is here. And minus 12. So minus 12 is here, exactly here. That is 1 comma minus 12. Next one is 2 comma minus 10. 2 is x coordinate. 2 is here. Y coordinate is minus 10. So minus 10 comes down. Here is a minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. And the next one is 3 comma minus 6. 3 is x coordinate. So where is 3? 3 lies between 2 and 4. So here is a 3 minus 6. So minus 6 come down. So here is a minus 6. 3 comma minus 6. Next, last coordinate point, 4 comma 0. 4 is x coordinate. 4. 0 is y coordinate. So here comes 4 comma 0. Now if I join all these points, so let us see what is the shape. So don't use the scale of joining all these points. So again here we got a union shape. So this union shape we call it as a parabola. So this is a shape. So we get by using the quadratic polynomial. And what are the zeros of the polynomial? So which points are intersecting on x-axis? So you can see 4 is intersecting at x-axis, and also this point. This point is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3. That means minus 3 and 4 are zeros of a polynomial. Understood how to represent a quadratic polynomial? So the shape of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola, and in quadratic polynomial we get 2 zeros of the polynomial. Understood? So these are the 2 examples from quadratic polynomial. So I hope you all might have understood the graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. So if you have any doubts, please message me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.